basically just, I would, start from one thing. So this has been almost going on for a month now. So I'm working as a paralegal with a firm. So what happens in my firm is that I have been given some work. I send in a draft, and the first cut is made by me. I send it to a senior. The senior edits it in track, and then they forward it to the partner, and it is also forwarded to me to show that where all I have gone wrong. And this has been like, taking me back to the 10th standard. Prelims के marks के time पे इतना red होता था. And then afterwards, as I'm going ahead, the red marks have started decreasing. So that is something which is basically, so my seniors are now accepting the draft, and at times I have got a call. So this has happened just recently. I got a call from an associate, senior associate, and how has the verification clause changed now? The firm practice is different, and you've put in a different one, and this seems better. And from now on, we've started using that verification clause in our firm practice. So these are the small things which are, and this is exactly for what I had joined this course. My main motto was that in my day-to-day life, I want to improve drafting as a skill. And as I had mentioned, I was told once that it is an art. So I just wanted to go ahead and feel like an artist, if you have to say. So it has been extremely, I've been extremely, it is very soothing to hear sir talk. And we don't realize when the 2 hours or 1.5 or whatever, I don't even remember the time limit of our class now, because it just goes in a flow. And yeah, as everyone has rightly said, sir has been very patient with us. And I know at times I have asked the most stupidest and the most silliest questions, but the comfort zone which has been created, I don't feel stupid asking those questions, because I just know that I have to ask it because it's popped up in my head. So, and I really look forward to, continuing this learning process with Vizlaw, and maybe someday we might cross. I'm from Bombay and so from Delhi, but I hope someday we might cross our paths in some or the other proceedings. So, and just looking forward for that day, sir. And one more thing, sir, not to miss out and not to take a lot of time, the batchmates. So I don't know if I am qualified enough to call them my batchmates, because everyone is so experienced and so elderly to me. I mean, like almost double my age, but I've never felt lower than them, or some kind of uh, a, a spark which has been going on from the start till the end. And the track has always been going upwards. And I have been very, it has been a pleasure to have this experience, to be with so many experienced people in just one platform. Because in real life, it is very difficult to get hold of people and have discussions. The max you have is, after the matter, if you're talking to the opposing counsel, it's for like 2-3 minutes, and half of the time is just for pleasantries and just for the sake of, because why you have to do it. But this is something where, you get to interact and you get to understand the mindset and thinking of people of different ages, and it helps a lot, sir. It helps a lot.